Two icons in the world of online legal marketing, but when it comes to growing your firm in 2025, which platform truly has your back? On the left, Avvo. Known for visibility, reviews, and Q&A that puts attorneys in front of clients. And on the right, Nolo, the powerhouse with a massive legal network and lead generation machine. Let's skip the hype and look at what really matters to lawyers, firm owners, and legal marketers. Each round, one platform scores the edge, and by the end, you'll see exactly who claims the win. You might be surprised by the final verdict. So here's how I'm gonna tackle this. Picture a mind map. First, we'll dig into online reach and traffic, then jump over to pricing and cost structure. After that, it's all about lead generation and marketing performance. Then, how each platform actually helps you stand out as an attorney, and finally, user experience and their overall reputation. Let's get into it. Alright, starting with online reach and traffic. Avvo's cool because, yeah, it's part of this Martindale Avvo network, which gets something like 8 million users per month, and half those people, they're actually looking for legal help like right now. But Avvo itself, its direct slice is a little smaller than Nolo, and honestly there's a bit of overlap since they're all kind of sharing traffic in the same network. Now Nolo, this one's wild. They've got the industry's biggest legal audience, like 25 million users every month across Nolo, All Law, DivorceNet, and the whole crew. That's 55 plus practice areas covered. So sure, Nolo does have a crazy high bounce rate, almost 87%, ouch, but sheer numbers, Nolo's taking this round. Next up, pricing and cost structure. Here, where Avvo kinda shines, their basic directory listing, totally free. You can even answer legal questions for free. Join in the Q&A. If you want to stack on more marketing or get a custom website, then yeah, you pay for those add-ons, but at least you choose what you need. The only catch, their premium plans can add up, especially if you're running a tiny practice. Nolo, on the other hand, yeah, they also offer a bunch of legal info totally free for clients. But for attorneys, it's a pay-per-lead model, so you only pay if you're actually getting leads. Sounds neat, right? Well, directory upgrades aren't cheap. They start at about $49 monthly plus state fees, and they shoot up if you want more. And honestly, some pretty rough user reviews talk about risks and low satisfaction. So for the most bang for your buck and the freedom to try before you buy, Avvo walks away with this one. Let's talk lead generation and marketing power. Avvo gives you this direct link to clients through their Q&A stuff. Like, it's literally 650,000 monthly contacts between attorneys and people searching for help. And the client reviews, pretty huge if you want to look credible. Downsides, not every lead is going to be gold, and reviews, well, sometimes they have a mind of their own. Nolo, though, specializes in volume. If you want a steady pipeline of targeted leads or maybe premium listing packages and custom marketing, this is where they flex. There are some concerns about whether those leads always pan out, according to user reviews, so it can be a bit of a gamble if you're dropping big bucks. Still, if you're after numbers, Nolo takes this round, but Avvo keeps things personal, you know. Oh, and here's something cool you probably didn't know. The guy who founded Avvo, he also created Expedia. So yeah, travel disruption meets the legal world. Wild crossover, right? Attorney visibility and reputation tools. Oh, this is cool. Avvo's got you showing up on Google, Bing, Yahoo, all across the board. Their review system, it actually helps you build trust, especially if you work those client testimonials. And just having a profile photo supposedly boosts your contact rate by, get this, 17 times. Wild. Only thing, you have to pay attention to your reputation, because if a client's unhappy, you can't really hide from those reviews. Nolo, well, if you fork out for premium, you get bumped up in their network, so there's more clout there. But if you're just dabbling with the free version, honestly, nobody's really seeing you. So Avvo is the clear winner if you really want eyes on you. User experience and reputation, let's be real, this is huge if you don't want headaches. Avvo is generally liked by attorneys, especially those who want to control their own profile and what's shown to potential clients. Sure, the free stuff can be a little limited, but you still get to keep things fresh. Nolo's well known with people looking for self-help legal info, I'll give them that. Attorneys, though, some call it a potential minefield, citing issues with poor lead quality and spotty support. That's not the best look. So yeah, Avvo clearly comes out on top for user experience here. If you look at our little side-by-side radar chart, picture this: Avvo scores high on cost, user experience, and reputation. Nolo dominates reach and lead volume. They each have a spot they're killing it, but Avvo is edging ahead for most solo lawyers and small firms. Here's my honest take. If you're an attorney who wants control, visibility, and actually cares about how your profile and reviews show up online, Avvo's totally your playground, especially since you can get pretty far with the free tools alone. But if you're thinking, I just need a massive flood of leads and I'm willing to roll the dice a bit, Nolo's massive audience is hard to ignore. Just, definitely check those reviews before committing any serious cash. If you want more legal tech breakdowns like this, hit save or share this page. We're always diving into the latest strategies for law firm marketing, so stay tuned.